Some facts are so insane. They sound completely fake, but not today. These 10 facts are 100% real, and they'll blow your mind. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. How? According to botanists, a berry must come from a flower with one ovary. Bananas fit the rule. Strawberries don't. Nature is weird. On planet WASP-76b, it literally rains molten iron. This distant gas giant has one side always facing its star. Reaching over 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit, the heat evaporates metals, and on the cooler side, it rains back down as liquid metal. That's not a sci-fi movie. That's real. Octopuses have not one, not two, but 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. And when they swim, the main heart stops. Yep, swimming for them is exhausting. Sharks are older than trees. By about 100 million years, sharks have been swimming around for over 400 million years. Trees? Only 300 million. Nature had sharks long before it had shade. Your stomach digests itself, unless it grows a new lining every few days. It produces acid strong enough to melt metal. If not for this regeneration, it would eat itself alive. Your body is in a constant fight with itself. You wake up taller than you were last night. Why? Because during the day, gravity compresses your spine. At night, lying flat lets it stretch again, so you're literally shrinking and unshrinking every day. There's a jellyfish that doesn't die. Torotopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When injured or aging, it reverts back to its polyp stage. It's basically the Benjamin Button of the sea. Wombats poop cubes. Perfect, 6-sided cubes. It helps the poop not roll away. They use it to mark territory. Scientists still don't fully understand how, but it's real and very square. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Earth, around 3 trillion trees. Milky Way, around 100 to 400 billion stars. Mind equals blown. Humans glow in the dark. Yes, your body emits bioluminescent light. It's just 1,000 times too faint for our eyes to see. So while you're sleeping, you're glowing. Crazy, right? Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more unbelievable facts every week. There's a lot more where that came from.